Looking to upgrade your bathroom or vanity setup with a futuristic touch? You're about to discover the top 5 best smart mirrors that combine style, smart features, and real everyday convenience without wasting your money. From anti-fog technology to touchscreen displays and even built-in speakers, these mirrors are not just reflections, they're a full experience. All the product links are in the description box below, so if you see something you like, don't wait. Click the link and check the latest price and details right now. Some of these models sell out fast due to high demand. Stick with me until the end because our number 1 pick is a next-level smart mirror that completely transforms your daily routine. Let's dive in and start the countdown from number 5, where style meets functionality. Starting strong at number 5, the SMIROR 24x36 LED bathroom mirror, which include cloud-shaped design. It is a unique blend of modern aesthetics and practical smart features, making it a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their bathroom decor instantly. What makes this mirror truly eye-catching is its irregular cloud-shaped design, which adds a luxurious, designer feel that instantly elevates any space. But it's not just about looks. This mirror is equipped with backlit LED lighting that is fully dimmable, allowing you to adjust brightness levels depending on your mood or lighting needs, whether it's for makeup, grooming, or ambient lighting. One of its most useful features is the anti-fog function, which ensures a clear reflection even after hot showers. No more wiping down your mirror every time. The build quality is solid, with a sleek finish that resists moisture and maintains durability over time. Installation is also relatively straightforward, making it a convenient upgrade for most users. While it may not include advanced smart system integrations like apps or voice control, it delivers exactly what most users need: style, clarity, and reliable performance. If you're looking for a modern, aesthetic mirror with essential smart features at a reasonable price, this is a fantastic option. For more details and the latest pricing, check the link in the description box below. At number 4, the VanPokins 24x32 LED bathroom mirror takes things up a notch by combining dual lighting technology with enhanced visual performance, making it a great option for those who prioritize both functionality and style. This mirror features gradient front and backlit illumination, which not only improves visibility but also creates a soft, premium glow that enhances your bathroom ambience. The lighting is fully dimmable, allowing you to switch between bright task lighting and a more relaxed, warm setting depending on your needs. One of the standout features here is its anti-fog technology, ensuring that your mirror stays crystal clear even in humid environments. The design is sleek and modern, fitting seamlessly into both contemporary and minimalist interiors. It also includes touch controls that are responsive and easy to use, adding a layer of convenience to your daily routine. Compared to basic LED mirrors, this model offers a more refined lighting experience, making it ideal for makeup application or grooming where precision matters. While it doesn't include advanced smart connectivity features, it excels in delivering consistent performance, stylish design, and practical usability. If you want a well-balanced smart mirror with enhanced lighting and reliable anti-fog performance, this is a strong contender. For more information and current deals, check the description box link below. Moving into the top 3, the Hivone 40x32 LED bathroom mirror stands out as a larger, more premium option designed for users who want both size and performance in one package. The bigger surface area provides a more expansive viewing experience, which is especially useful for shared bathrooms or detailed grooming routines. This mirror features both front-lit and backlit LED lighting, delivering excellent brightness and eliminating shadows, which is crucial for tasks like shaving or makeup application. The lighting is also stepless dimmable, giving you precise control over brightness levels to match any environment. One of its key highlights is the anti-fog functionality, ensuring a consistently clear reflection even in steamy conditions. The mirror is built with tempered glass, offering added durability and safety, which is a big plus for long-term use. Its clean, rectangular design fits well in modern spaces while still maintaining a professional, high-end look. Installation is straightforward, and the overall build quality reflects reliability and longevity. While it may not have full smart system integration, it delivers where it matters most: clarity, brightness, and durability. If you're looking for a larger, high-performance mirror with premium lighting features, this is an excellent choice. For full details and pricing, check the link in the description box below. Coming in at number 2, the LOAAO 24x32 LED bathroom mirror offers a near-perfect balance between performance, safety, and advanced lighting features, making it one of the most popular choices in this category. This mirror is equipped with both front and backlit LED lighting, ensuring even illumination with no dark spots, which is ideal for detailed grooming tasks. The dimmable brightness control allows you to customize your lighting environment, whether you need bright light for precision or softer light for ambience. One of the standout features is its anti-fog technology, which activates quickly and keeps the mirror clear at all times. What sets this model apart is its shatterproof tempered glass, adding an extra layer of safety, especially important in households with kids or high-traffic bathrooms. The touch controls are intuitive and responsive, making it easy to operate daily. The design is sleek and modern, blending seamlessly into most bathroom styles. It may not include built-in apps or speakers, but it excels in delivering reliability, safety, and premium lighting performance. If you want a dependable smart mirror that covers all essential features without compromise, this is a top-tier option. For more details and the best deals, check the description box below. Taking the top spot at number 1, the Haocrown 24x32 Smart LED Bathroom Mirror is a true next-generation smart mirror that goes far beyond basic lighting features. This model is packed with advanced technology, including a built-in Android system and touchscreen interface, allowing you to access apps, stream content, and even check the weather directly from your mirror. It also features integrated speakers with Bluetooth connectivity, turning your daily routine into an interactive experience where you can listen to music or podcasts effortlessly. The mirror includes essential features like anti-fog technology, dimmable LED lighting, and a digital clock display, ensuring both convenience and functionality. The touchscreen is responsive and easy to navigate, making it feel more like a smart device than just a mirror. Its sleek design fits perfectly into modern homes, while the combination of entertainment and practicality makes it truly stand out from the competition. If you're looking for a mirror that does more than just reflect, something that actually enhances your lifestyle, this is the ultimate choice. For more details and to check the latest price, make sure to visit the link in the description box below. That's all from today's reviews. I hope this video helped you understand which option fits your needs best. To make things easier for you, I've added all the product links in the description box below, so you can check the latest price, detailed specifications, and grab the best deals available right now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest product reviews. And if you have any questions, experiences, or suggestions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.